Today's lesson, aniline to phenol. How can we prepare phenol from aniline? Let's see the matter. Suppose this is a vessel in which hydrochloric acid is present. Here sodium nitrite salt, which is crystalline solid, is added to hydrochloric acid. Then the reaction is sodium nitrite, hydrochloric acid react with each other to form nitrous acid and sodium chloride. In this vessel now, aniline is added, which is oily liquid. Now aniline reacts with nitrous acid, which is obtained from sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid, and the reaction is maintained at 0 degree to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Then aniline converts to benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride, and water is formed as byproduct. This is the reaction by which from aniline benzene diazonium chloride is prepared. This reaction is called Diagonium reaction or diazotization. Here azo means nitrogen atoms, and this group is known as diazonium group. So this is diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride. It has great importance. Benzene diazonium chloride is used to prepare different types of bright colored dyes. So there is much importance of benzene diazonium chloride. When this mixture is heated at 35 degrees Celsius temperature, then benzene diazonium chloride breaks to phenol and nitrogen gas. So this is the way by which benzene diazonium chloride is prepared from aniline at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. When this is heated at 35 degrees Celsius temperature, then benzene diazonium chloride breaks to phenol and nitrogen gas. The reaction by which benzene diazonium chloride is prepared from phenol, that is called diazonium reaction or diazotization. Preparation of diazonium salt is called diazotization. This is simply phenol from aniline. Number today. Thank you very much.